Hey everyone, I'm here real quick to show you how I create a little bit more contrast in the parting space on a wig. I'm getting ready to go somewhere and I was just about to do this and I thought I'm just going to film it and that way I can share it. So what I do is there's lots of ways to do this. You can take silicone tape, like scar tape, and you can put it on the underside. I have done that. You can take foundation. I have done that as well. But what I just want to do something real quick. I just thought of it and I don't have a lot of time. So I'm just taking loose powder, translucent loose powder. This one is translucent medium is the color. I don't even know what brand this is. Maybe Maybelline, maybe CoverGirl, it doesn't say. But anyway, I just got it at the drugstore. I've had it forever. So just take this brush, and I like to use a brush. This one is Sheer Cover. I think it was something I tried from an infomercial. I like to use a brush that will hold quite a bit of powder on it. So maybe like a concealer brush would work really well. I have so many makeup brushes, but like a small little brush like that isn't gonna work. That's not going to work very well. So something like this might work okay. Just something that's going to hold some of this powder on here. So you can see I dipped it into the powder and I just got some on here. Now I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to start dabbing it on where I want to just maybe lighten it up just a little bit. This is a good way to do it quick. If you want something that's gonna last longer, if you want a more extreme contrast than I'm gonna be able to get with this powder, then I would recommend makeup like foundation or concealer. But for what I'm trying to get right now, this is gonna work just fine. And I have done this quite a few times. Sometimes I'll try to get it on here if I see quite a bit of knotting. I don't find that the translucent powder works as well as other methods, but for just the part line here, and I kind of dab it on. I rub it just a little, but I mostly dab it on. And I'm just trying to get some of the powder out of here since it's got like the little holes. So I don't go too crazy with it. And then if I get any on the hair fibers, I just go like this, and that's usually enough to get it off. And that's it. That's all I do. So it's not extreme, but now it's a lot lighter than it was. And that's just the technique that I use when I want to get a little bit of lightness here, just a little more contrast. So lots of methods. I'll share others as I have time to do them, but I just wanted to show that to you. I have on Orchid right now in... what the heck color is it? Hold on. R330 RT4. And I'm just going to go with her just clipped up on one side and down on the other. Orchid is quite long. And I do have a review of Orchid out there. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this was helpful.